Hello guys, welcome back to part 4 of my PC build series. And I have two packages right here. One came Saturday and one came today, Monday. So over here is my PC. And as you noticed, I moved everything over to my new room at my dad's house, because I now technically live here. So anyway, let's get to the unboxing of the first package, which is the one that says, well, it doesn't say anything because it's censored, but yeah, this one on top. So let's get to part 4 of this build series. That's a massive package. Alright guys, here is my Corsair AX860 power supply, so I can finally somewhat power up my computer over there. So now let's break the plastic seam and get to work. Alright guys, so after all that mayhem, finally got my AX860 out of the box. And boy, this thing's pretty heavy too. Alright, I'm just looking at all the max combined wattages, max load, the inputs and outputs. And over here I got my 24-pin ATX connectors, as well as peripheral and SATA power, including SATA and Molex, and then my PCI Express and CPU power over here. And the fan control, normal and hybrid, so I believe that when it's in hybrid, the fan will stay off at low and moderate loads. Okay guys, I disassembled my case. Now I'm going to attempt to install this power supply. So let's go ahead and find out how this is going to work. But put this right now, put this one in case. Yep. So I put the sticker right up there. Yeah. Right there. Now next one's putting on cables. Yep. Process comes to the next check. Oh, I really wish I knew. After tomorrow, I'm going to need a processor, I'm going to need my memory, I'm going to need my storage, and my graphics card. Yeah, because I can't use this link without, graphics card. Alright, first boot. Oh yeah, of course, there's no load. What? There's no load, and when there's no load, the fan doesn't run. As a matter of fact, it doesn't run under low and medium loads, which is cool. Hey guys, I'm back for the update. But anyways, over the last half hour or so, when I wasn't filming, I decided to correct some of my amateur mistakes that you guys saw during that time lapse. For example, I lost a screw right here. It rolled under the bed, and as you guys saw, I tried to find it, so I did. Screw it back in with this hammerhead screwdriver, because that's the only kind of screwdriver that I have that will actually fit these screws. This didn't cut it, as you guys saw. I screwed that back in, cleaned off the shield, dust shield, and put it back on. So that's good. And I also properly secured all the screws on the power supply. By the looks of it, they all look good. And yep, everything's facing the proper way. Oops. Yep, fan's facing down, so it'll draw air in and expel air out the back. That's all looking good. Then I connected one of the SATA power cables to the power supply, routed it out this cable management route into here, and connected it to the Blu-ray rewriter optical drive. So this has power now, so that's good. Next, I'll proceed to unboxing my CPU cooler, CPU thermal paste, my LED light strips, as well as the 2 fans for my CPU heatsink. So I won't be able to put the CPU heatsink on quite yet, since, well, 1, my motherboard comes tomorrow, and 2, I can't get a processor yet because I now have insufficient funds. So tomorrow or so, hopefully, I will get another check in the mail, and that's that. So thank you guys for watching. I will proceed to the next video where I unbox this stuff as well as install my light strips. So see you guys then.